If you want to buy a GoDaddy email account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can choose the right plan, get set up quickly, and complete your purchase without confusion. A professional email address can make a big difference for your business, brand, or personal website, and GoDaddy makes it fairly simple to get started once you know where to click. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website guides like this. Now let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy, then sign into your account. If you already have a GoDaddy login, use your email and password to get into the dashboard. If not, create an account first so you can continue with the purchase. Once you are signed in, look at the top menu and click on Email. This is where GoDaddy shows its email products and business email options. After that, click See Plans and Pricing so you can view the available email plans. You should now see different options depending on the features you need, such as storage, number of mailboxes, and business tools. Take a moment here to compare the plans carefully because the right choice depends on whether you need just one email address or multiple inboxes for a team. If you're a solo user or small business, a basic plan may be enough. If you want more storage or advanced features, choose a plan that fits your needs better. Once you've picked the plan you want, click Add to Cart. GoDaddy may ask you to choose the plan period, so select the billing term that works best for you, whether that's monthly or a longer commitment. Be sure to check the total price before moving forward because the billing term can affect the final cost. When you're ready, click Ready for Checkout. This takes you to the Payment and Order Review page. On this screen, choose your payment method. GoDaddy usually gives you a few different ways to pay, so select the one that is easiest and most secure for you. After that, review your order carefully. Double-check the plan name, billing period, email product, and total amount so there are no surprises later. If everything looks correct, complete the payment to finish the purchase. Once the payment goes through, your GoDaddy email plan will be activated, and you can move on to setting up your new email address. That's the full process for buying GoDaddy email, and as you can see, it only takes a few simple steps once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial saved you time, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.